How to post long video on WhatsApp status. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can post long video on your WhatsApp status. Now, if you open up the app and head into your status, there you can tap on my status and you'll be at your story or your status on WhatsApp. However, you should know that WhatsApp only allows you to upload 30 seconds of video to your status. Now, to upload along your video, what you will need to know is there is no absolute way where you can upload a long video within 30 seconds on your story. However, what you can do is split the video into 30 seconds each. Now, if you have a 1-minute video that you want to upload, you can split the video into 30 seconds each part and then upload it. Now, if you head over to App Store or your Play Store and search in for video splitting for WhatsApp, then you'll always get various of apps. You can see the first option, you have video splitter for WhatsApp. Now what this does is it'll split up your video to 30 seconds each and you can just upload it. However, if you don't want to download any app, what you can simply do is tap and add to your status and choose a video. And once you choose a video, what you can do is select the first 30 seconds and then upload it, and then again tap and again select the rest 30 seconds and then upload it, and then again go ahead and select the rest 30 seconds and then upload it. So this way you can post long video on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.